Hello my fellow Guardians, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how you can potentially fix this problem where it says waiting in login queue on Highguard, as you can see. So the first thing we can do is to just go back to the start page, and I'm also creating video for my PS5 here, as you can see. But if you're using a PC, you might try some of these tactics as well to see if that works for you. I'm not sure it's going to work on the PC though, but you can see here and click on settings on my PS5 and then click on network. Now on network, click on settings here and set up internet connection. In here, just click on this button right here now on your PlayStation controller, then click on advanced settings here. Scroll down where it says DNS settings, change this from automatic to manual. Primary DNS, change this one to 1.1.1.1 and the secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. And also, of course, just going to click on the advanced settings again. Don't forget to click on the OK button in the bottom right corner as well here, as you can see, and it's going to now re-establish connections to your internet. This might sometimes fix that problem, just so you know. Another thing, go into users and accounts, click on other, click on restore licenses and choose Highguard and click on restore right here and click on yes. So you can try to do this, and if you are just starting out, it seems that there is currently a problem going on with the game itself, so it seems that it's not even our fault that it might happen, but yeah, we just have to probably wait for it to actually fix it. They might have to fix their servers, I guess, but try this and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.